In APA, students will be able to express themselves in a variety of different performing arts.
As an alumni, I was prepared for college and career. Through my internships, I gained transferable skills that I use in my career today.
Students should come to Harmony Magnet Academy and join the performing arts. They'll have opportunities in band, choir, orchestra, and small ensembles.
I get to be involved in musicals, plays, and the symphony orchestra.
Your opportunities are endless, from small community theaters to the bright lights of Hollywood.
If you want a great education and you love the performing arts, then this is the pathway for you.
Because of my pathway, I know what I want to do with my future.
My dream is to become a cartoon animator, and this pathway is helping me get there.
Now I'm able to offer internships to students and show them how the skills they're learning today are applicable to the real world.
Whether your passion is acting on stage, singing, dancing, or working behind the scenes, it is not just a dream. It's a viable and fulfilling career path.
My favorite thing about the APA pathway is how many opportunities we get here.
My favorite part of stage design is being able to see my sets come to life and work one-on-one with the actors.
If you're creative, artistic, and love to learn, then this is the pathway for you.